Welcome to the QuickShipper installation guide. Let's walk through the steps to set up our app on your Shopify store. First, click on the Install button in the Shopify App Store. You'll be redirected to your Shopify admin panel, where a small window will pop up. Click Install again to start the installation. Next, enter your store details in the fields provided. QuickShipper will automatically create an admin account for you using the email you enter. Additionally, a demo courier account will be created. After verifying that your information is correct, click Continue. In the next step, you'll see an option to download the courier app for your drivers. If you plan to use QuickShipper only with Glovo couriers, skip this step by clicking Continue. Now, QuickShipper will guide you to place a test order. This will help you see how the process works. Click on Create Test Order. Congratulations! Your QuickShipper account is now activated, and the app has been added to the left sidebar of your Shopify admin panel. Click Go to Dashboard to move into your Shopify dashboard for order management. Here, you'll see the test order we just created. You can view all the relevant information about the order, including the order ID, shipping and final locations, the active status, and the assigned courier. Since the order hasn't been assigned to a courier yet, click on Assign Courier to dispatch it. Pop-up will appear with two options for dispatching the order. You can either send it to your own courier or switch to the Delivery Companies tab and select Glovo as your delivery partner. After choosing the delivery method, click Submit. Once you've dispatched the order to Glovo, their couriers will handle it automatically. Anytime the Glovo courier updates the order status, you'll see the synced status in your Shopify admin panel and in the unique tracking link provided for your buyers. And that's how you install and activate the QuickShipper Delivery Manager for your Shopify store.